Pwede na lang nila sabihin, o sige na, sufficient na in substance, akyat na. We have now approve na ang impeachment, articles of impeachment, akyat na sa Senado para doon ang trial. Bakit pa gusto nila ng ganito-ganito?
Well, ayoko pong mag-speculate.
Dahil,
of course,
Atty.
I have my
Poa,
opinions.
gusto nila ng trial by public opinion. Alam nyo, masyado kayong matalino dyan, mas matalino kami sa inyo. We are 10 steps ahead of you. Alam na namin yung ginagawa nyo dyan sa Committee on Justice. Mamaya pati ako, ipakontempt nyo na. Kung hindi ba naman this is just all for show, bakit hindi na lang approve? Approve na articles of impeachment. Send it to the Senate. Doon na tayo mag-trial. Ready naman ang Vice President, di po ba?
We have no objections to that. Kung narinig na nga natin na may numero na, di ba? May mga statements na may numero na. That's why we're saying kung pinag-uusapan na pala ang numero ngayon at may numero na and they want to already elevate it to the Senate, wala kaming problema doon. Because there, we can fully defend the rights of the Vice President.
So there you have an opportunity.
We can test the credibility of these witnesses that we will produce.
One of them will be Madriaga?
Yes. Well, I suppose because he was also
who is in jail for kidnapping for ransom.
Yes.
Ano ba kayong mas magaling na evidence na testigo dyan na hindi naman kidnapper? Ano ba kayo dyan? So, Madriaga, who else will be their star witness?
Well, we don't know, no? We are still anticipating kung sino yung mga, but we have ideas. Siguro, wag muna naming ilabas yung mga ideas ng mga star witnesses sila. But, once we're there, we can test the credibility and we can show the Filipino people once and for all na walang basihan itong mga aligasyon nila laban sa ating Vice Presidente.
In fact, I interviewed Senate President Soto. And I asked him, I said, with all the things that you said against the Supreme Court ruling, the people are now saying, SP, that you are biased. So, mahirap po yan na kayo pa rin ang presiding dyan and people do not trust that you'll be fair. At sinabi niya, ito ang sinagot niya talaga, kung ako lang, if it were up to me, masyado na it takes too much of our time, this impeachment. 2 taon na lang. Pero kung pupunta yan sa Senado, ay gagawin ko ang tungkulin ko. So, sinasabi ng Senate President, gagawin niya ang tungkulin niya, iakyat niyo na ang articles of impeachment para naman may fairness ang Vice President ay merong opportunity naman to defend herself.
Opo. Well, I just need to state this for the record, no, because again, we're really on the legal side lang. We do not dwell into the political, but we have always given the benefit of the doubt to the Senate President, to the Senate that will be sitting as senator judges. We also are giving the benefit of the doubt even to the Committee of Justice members. That's why itong ginawa naming objection dito sa ginagawa nilang mini trial, ito ay ibinigay muna namin sa kanila, inilahad namin sa kanila. We were trying to explain our side. Now, if that offended some of our lawmakers, we really regret that because it's not our intention to offend anyone. It is our duty as lawyers of the Vice President to protect her rights and her interest. And if we see that there are infirmities in the process, it's also our duty to bring these matters up and tell them that we have objections, serious objections, fundamental objections to the conduct of a so-called mini trial within the House. No? Now, sabi nyo nga, kung okay sa amin i-akyat, definitely. We have been ready since last year. During the first round of impeachments, despite filing that petition with the Supreme Court, as we all know, it's always 50-50, diba? So, we were ready to go into a full-blown trial.
But now, in the Senate, hindi na sila advantage kasi they need 2/3 or 16 votes. They need 16 votes. JV Ejercito, Senator Ejercito told me that sinabi niya na he is not in favor of that. Daming problema, lalo na ngayon, may gera. So, yung 15 nila, sa majority, nabawasan na sila ng 1, so 14. Ang sinasabi naman ng iba dyan, paano po yan pag si Senator Bato ay hindi po boboto? Abay, kahit hindi siya bumoto, kailangan pa rin nila ng 16 votes.
Yes,
you see,
that's correct.
mga kababayan, bakit para ano pa ito? Para ano pa ito na ginagawa nila? Na alam naman nila doon pag-akyat, matatalo rin sila. Bakit? Dahil gusto nila masira ang reputasyon ni Vice President Sara Duterte. At ito lang po ang isa sa pinakamatinding argumento ko talaga against that impeachment process. You're wasting our money. Kayong mga congresswomen kayo na matatalino, you're wasting taxpayers' money and you're wasting the time of the Congress. May gera na. Kulang na tayo sa langis. Ang krudo, 140 pesos. Ano? Ang jeepney driver, 200 pesos na lang ang neto. Take home, dati 1,000. Ayaw na magsakay yung mga joyride. Dati 60, ngayon 66 na. May gera na, may digmaan na. Kayo, impeachment pa rin kayo. Napakawalang compassion sa mga Pilipino.